Changing services booked in for a client. Shortcuts Live allows you to change the services in a client's booking quickly and easily, saving you time and providing your clients with the flexibility they demand in their busy lives. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add and remove services from a client's appointment. From Operations, open the appointment book. Then click on the client's appointment to view the touch tip. Click on More, then select Change Appointment. Go to the Services tab and remove the current service by clicking Delete. Select a new service to add and add any additional services here as well. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to add and remove services from a client's appointment.